Hey everyone, this is Diana over at Crafting Parties. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel. So today I'm putting together some Toy Story centerpieces and I wanted to show you how I put them together. So let me start off by telling you that I used this wood box or an MDF box that I bought at my local craft store. The one that I'm using is a little smaller than this one, but I wanted to give you an idea of what the box looks like. The one that I am using is a 5 by 6 inch box. Okay, so let me put this aside and show you the one that I have put together. And this is the box that I will be using for my centerpieces. What I did to this one was I printed image of the clouds, and I printed and cut it to the size of the box, and then I just glued it onto the box on all sides. And on the front I personalized it with the child's name and the age, and continued with the cloud theme. Now you don't have to put an image on the box. You can just paint it. I've done a lot of centerpieces where I just paint the box, and maybe you can just put a ribbon around it and something to do with the theme on the front. Either way, they look really nice, but I just wanted to do this one this way. Okay, so let me put this aside and let me show you the characters that I will be using for this particular one. And that is Jessie and Bullseye. And I have another video here on my YouTube channel where I show you how to do the Styrofoam characters, and I will leave the link down at the bottom so you can check it out. But let me just explain a little bit of how you do these. You print your image either at your local print shop or at home if you have a printer, and you cut your image and you glue it onto Styrofoam. And I use just adhesive spray that you buy at your local craft store. You put a little bit of it on the back of your image, and then you glue it onto the Styrofoam. After that is done, you take your, I have a handheld Styrofoam cutter, like this one. I don't know if you could see it. It has a little, like a little metal string here. And this, when you press on this lever, it gets hot, not so hot that you burn your hands, but it gets hot enough to cut the Styrofoam. And then all you do is just go around your image and it cuts the Styrofoam for you, giving you the outline of the character. So this is really good. And if you guys are interested in one of these, I have them for sale. They're $15, and my information is down at the bottom in case you want to purchase one. Okay, so getting back to the images. Once you cut your Styrofoam, it's left white because the Styrofoam is white. But I don't like the way it looks white, so I paint my Styrofoam depending on the character. In this case, I did red for Jessie, and I did brown for Bullseye. And you can also put the image on the other side, making it double-sided so it's seen on both sides of your centerpiece. If not, you can just do it just like this. Okay, you will also need some shredded paper to put inside your box to give it a finished look. So let's put it together. So you take your box, and I'm just going to turn it around a little bit just so I can see it. And you start by inserting your characters. And here's Jessie. Put Bullseye. Put the shredded paper in there. I'll put it in first, and then I'll fix it, and then we grab a little bit more. Okay, so then we just fix it in here so it doesn't look all messy. And there you have it. They're fairly simple to do, and they look really nice. have all the other ones that I've made as well to show you. So Jessie and Bullseye, and then I have Buzz and Woody. And then I have Ham and Rex. And Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than glad to answer any questions you may have. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so down at the bottom. And if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Much appreciated. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you everyone for taking the time to look at my videos. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me your questions down at the bottom. And I will see you next time, everyone. Thank you. Bye.